of commercially available nasal devices aimed at stopping snoring, this doesn't exert any outwards pressure to the airway. The packaging states it works using the ancient Chinese medicine of magnetic therapy. When inserted, the fit was secure, but it did cause an occasional uncomfortable tickling sensation inside the nose. When nudged during sleep, some short-lived discomfort to the septum was experienced. In our tests, the claimed magnetic therapy wasn't sufficient to make this device effective at stopping snoring. If anything, it felt like it restricted airflow slightly, and unfortunately, mouth breathing became preferable.